right? MP4 means megapack 4. That is for movies, and this is megapack 3 for music. MOV is for movies, and AVI, audio video interchange.
Excuse me, sir. What stands for PUB?
PUB, I have not searched that. PUB, where you got that?
When I go to a news site, there's called a publisher.
Ah, publisher version, right? So about Adobe Publisher, I think. Because I have not used that.
No, sir. I think it's a Microsoft one.
Sorry, Microsoft Publisher, no? Microsoft Publisher version. So it's related to Publisher anyway. Okay, finish. Anything else? Anything else that you can add up? So here, sorry, this is a small mistake. Interleave, right? Interleave. MOV for movie files. MP3 for music files. And MP4 for movie files. Anything else? Sometimes this is called, and there's another name, sometimes called MPEG audio layer tree. But that is too heavy one. MPEG audio layer tree. And the other one, the MP4 is called MPEG4. MPEG4, this is called MPEG4. So MPEG means motion picture expert group. Motion picture means video. Okay, anything else that you want to know other than this? Any other document type?
No, sir.
Sir, is PNG an extension?
PNG, yes. PNG is portable network graphics.
Even GIF is extension now, sir?
GIF, yes. GIF is graphic interchange format. PNG, these are all for also graphics, PNG and GIF for graphic. GIF for graphic. PNG for graphic.
PDF.
Sorry?
PDF.
PDF is here for portable document format, PDF. Okay, finish writing.
No, sir.
So rather than using this name, please just remember in this format, right? MPG1 and MPG4, because this is not more common. So even it's okay to cut this because this is not used much. Just use one line and cut it. MPEG audio layer 3 and MPEG4 is the more common formats used. That's MP4 and the short version, MP3, MP4. Okay, so there are more, right? There are more. So more than likewise EXE. I forget that is EXE is executable. Executable file applications come in with EXE. Okay, there are more. Hundreds of extensions are there, but these are some common extensions. There are hundreds of extensions. Okay, then right, let's move to the next one. So now you know EXE, last one is EXE, executable files. Okay, let me share my Windows screen quickly. Okay, can you see? See the Windows screen? Hello?
No,
No.
we can see that has started screen sharing, but not the screen still.
The stream. So I think there's a, seems like error. Wait.